In this video, let me show you how to change forward collision warning sensitivity on JAECOO cars. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Then you need to find the settings button. It should be with this car icon. Then on the settings list, you need to use the left menu to select the driver assistance, the third tab. Then scroll down until you see the security warning. And here you can enable or disable the forward collision warning. Of course, you need to have this enabled. And then you can adjust the collision warning sensitivity. So the sensitivity options, late, normal, early, allow you to determine how soon the car alerts you. Setting it to late means it only flashes at the absolute last second, reducing false alarm during aggressive driving. In my case, I would like to use it on normal, so let me leave it like that. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.